If Krita is showing an export error when you try to save your artwork, don't worry, this is usually a file location or file format issue, and in today's video I'll show you a few quick fixes that can solve it fast. An export error in Krita often happens when the app is blocked from writing the final image to your hard drive, which means the problem is usually not your artwork itself, but the way or place you're trying to save it. So in this tutorial, we'll go step by step through the easiest solutions, and by the end, you should be able to export your file properly again. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. First, let's start with the simplest fix, which is changing the file format. If a certain image format is failing because of a bug or a missing system library, switching to another format often gets around the problem immediately. Go to the export window or use Save As, then look for the file type dropdown. If you're trying to save as PNG, change it to JPEG and try exporting again. If that still doesn't work, try TIFF as well. Sometimes one format will work while another causes the export to fail, so it's worth testing a different one before you do anything more advanced. Next, check where you're saving the file. This is a very common reason Krita export errors happen. Avoid saving directly into cloud-synced folders like OneDrive, iCloud, or Google Drive because those folders can sometimes interfere with the writing process. Also avoid saving straight into protected system locations like the root of the C drive or other restricted folders. Instead, create a brand new folder directly on your desktop and name it something simple like Krita Art. Then try exporting your image into that folder. A clean desktop folder is much less likely to cause permission issues, syncing conflicts, or other blocking errors. If the export still fails, the next thing to try is flattening the image first. A corrupted layer mask, a broken vector layer, or a complex layer group can sometimes cause the export engine to freeze or fail when it tries to compile the final image. To do this, go to the top menu, click Layer, and then choose Flatten Image. This merges everything into one background layer, which can remove the problem layer structure that's causing the error. After flattening, try exporting the file again and see if it goes through successfully. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem right away. Change the file format, save to a safer folder, or flatten the image before exporting. If one method doesn't work, move on to the next because Krita export issues can sometimes be caused by more than one thing at the same time. Once your file exports correctly, you'll know the issue was with the output process and not your artwork itself. If you want more helpful tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.